Practical activity 8.18. Create a function to find the position of the phonetic sound IGH in a word. So for this, what I've done is you use search or you can use find. So we have to write what you want to find is IGH. From where? From here, and starting from the first position. So it gives me the numeric position of a text within a data. So it tells you from where location, which location IGH is appearing. Then create a function to extract the part of the word that comes before phonetic word sound. This, for example, right, the function should return PRI. So we have to actually extract before that. For that, what I've done is use left C10, and because I want to extract the number of characters. So over here, I would like to extract the number of characters till where? Till the third, because this will find me the numeric position where IGH is appearing. So since find will help me to find the numeric position where IG is appearing, that is 3, and left will do is it will extract this till that particular point where IGH is appearing. So this is how this particular works.